Hey guys, I know, I've already done a video for this week, but I keep getting all these ideas of things that I want to share with you guys, and so I thought, why put myself on a schedule? Because you guys know that I like to break the rules. I did a whole video on breaking the rules of YouTube, so I decided to do another video because my spring journal arrived. Okay, so I'm gonna unbox it with you guys. I'm gonna show you the decomposition book, because you guys know I am a decomposition book like fanatic. So I'm gonna show you the one that I got for spring, along with some other spring journaling goodies. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So this is kind of like a journaling haul from Target plus Amazon. I ended up getting 2 things on Amazon and 2 bags of things at Target. Okay, first off, I want to share about a couple things that I'm going to be using in my spring journal that I did not actually buy like just now. You guys have seen these little pen holders, pen loops before. I did get these on Amazon a while ago. It looks like I have 4 left, so it should last me another 2 months or so, because I'm going to be putting one on my journal, and then I have another book, another journal that I'm going to be in through the spring that I'm going to be adding that to. So it should last me at least 2 more months, maybe 3. So that's one of the items that I'm going to be using in the spring, in my spring journaling. I also collect, here is a file folder, and I have started collecting different things and ideas, printables from Pinterest. Let me show you. So this came from, and it doesn't say. This is a emotion wheel that also walks you through your cycle, and you can actually document like how you're feeling throughout the month. I love that. This is from sublimereflections.com, and it's a 90-day goal mind map. And because this is like spring, my journal should run me March, April, and May. So I have some big 90-day goals that I want to flesh out. So I have kept all of like different little journaling ideas in a file folder. I have another one. They both are from Target. They say, I've totally got this. This file folder I'm going to be using to collect bits and pieces as I find them, like in magazines, maybe to do vision boards or things I might want in my journal. So currently this is empty. It will be full as I go through my spring journaling. So those are 2 things. And now, should I do the journal first? Okay, yes. All right, I'm gonna open up the spring journal that I chose and show everyone which one it is. I still have probably another week left in my current journal, so there will be a winter journal flip coming soon, probably beginning of March. Look at this. I am so freaking excited about this. Look how gorgeous this is. This is the decomposition book from Michael Roger. It is his collection. I think he does all of the decomposition books. I think they're all from Michael Rogers. This is the Monarch Migration. Isn't it so perfect for spring? Look how beautiful. I'm so excited to dive into this one. And as you guys have seen before, they also have little things on the inside covers. So pretty. I love this because I am actually going to be doing some flying in spring. And so as you guys know, I like to be prepared with things to color because I am not the best when it comes to flying. I am one who, I'm not afraid of flying, I just don't like it. So I wanted to get something that I could also color on, which you'll see I also picked up an extra little thing from Target that will help with that topic. So this is the spring journal that I'll be diving in probably March 1st. And the other thing I got from Amazon, which was a splurge, these decomposition books run like $7.95 or something like that. So it depends on which one you get, but I believe they're between $7 and $10, so they're not that expensive, and I'm just completely obsessed with them. Okay, I did splurge on this from Amazon, but I have completely run out of all of my favorite pens, so I had to buy the entire, like, all the colors. So I got this on Amazon. These are the Energel, the Pentel Energels, and I like the 0.7. I use these to do my Love Note adventures, which I was going to grab those, but I didn't. For spring, I'll be starting a new Love Note adventure for my friend Christine. If you guys have not seen our Love Note adventure video, I'll put the link down below so you can go check that out. We share a Love Note adventure. I do one for her, typically every season, and I just mailed out, hopefully, Christine, if you're watching this, I don't know if it has come yet, but I just mailed out the winter Love Note adventure like a couple days ago. So I needed some new, and in that Love Note adventure, Christine, you'll see, I think I say I miss my Energels. I want to buy new Energels like a million times. Well, I actually did it. So I actually have new Energels to use in my Love Note adventure or for coloring, because these are great for coloring too. If you guys have not tried these pens, they're amazing. Okay. Now we're going to get into Target to see all the journaling goodies for spring that I ended up purchasing. Okay, so I had to get some new envelopes. I typically, in all of my journals, I put an envelope in the back. So this journal, what I'm going to end up doing is I will put the pen loop that I showed you at the beginning of this video. I will take one of these press and seal white envelopes. Usually, I'm just now realizing, usually I get the ones with the clips so I can keep it closed down. I might just put a piece of washi though, because I like to collect bits and pieces while I'm journaling, but I got the white because I love doing watercolor and I thought it'd be fun to decorate it or put stickers on it or something. So these I got from Target. There's 30 envelopes. I also use these to mail out my Love Note adventures. And I'm also going to be creating a journaling zine for something super, super special that I'll be announcing at the end of this video. So that I considered part of my spring journaling haul just because I ran out. And this is going to need a, it's going to need a folder. And I usually put it right here on the back or right here. But I think I'm going to put it on this side this time. Okay, so I got that at Target. I also got these markers. Aren't these the coolest looking things? Okay, so these are the Friction colors and they are erasable. So erasable markers. I don't think, like, they're actual markers. So they're not highlighters, but I thought this would be fun both for my Love Note adventures that I do or for coloring. So these are going to be the markers that I use instead of the Pentel, not Pentel. I usually use the Papermate flares, but I wanted to try something different and I liked that this actually had the eraser. So I was like, huh, try something new. These are the Pilot Friction erasable markers. So excited about those. Okay, and then I got two book journal type things for spring. This, and I believe this was on clearance. This is the Be Positive Color Me journal. My plan for this is I'm not going to actually do anything in the journal. I am going to rip out pages and probably glue them into my spring journal when I'm taking those trips, or put them into the zines that I do or the Love Note adventures, and just, you know, have something that is there to color, because I may decide that I just love how the butterflies look and don't want to color on the actual journal. And so this would satisfy that desire for something to get my mind off of flying. And I am going to be doing, I know, at least one long flight this year, but these, I thought they'd be great to like just decorate decorate the different pages with and color, because coloring is so like peaceful and happy. So I'm just gonna flip through. So one side is lined with different quotes actually. So I'll probably cut up the quotes too. And then the other side has a place for you to color. I just thought it was like so cool. So I had to pick that up to go along with my spring journaling. And then I did pick up, I'm starting a fitness program on March 1st that is gonna go throughout the entire season. So I picked up this Fit Happens fitness log because I like having everything in one place. I love my journal, how I keep lots in there, but I wanted something that I could record what I'm eating and how it made me feel. So I didn't want to do that in my journal because I like that my journals are lasting for a whole season. So I kind of want to keep it that way, which is why I picked up this, because this has prompts every day. And you put, so this says, today I'm grateful for, and then you have, my goal to live fit today is, one thing I appreciate about my strong body is, and then you have where you write down what you did to move, nourish, and then you reflect on your mood. And then on the other side, you have a page for writing inspirations or just your thoughts. So I needed something that I didn't mind, like, you know, I don't know that I'll keep it after I use it, but something for accountability, but also to inspire me. And I will probably leave this in my kitchen next to my stove so that I fill it out every day. But I didn't want to put my food diary in with my journaling. So this is my spring health and fitness record keeper thingy. Okay, a couple more things. Actually, the last little things I got was Post-it notes. I have a bunch of lists and prompts that I want to do, especially starting out my spring journal. So these little ones are going to be specifically for me mapping out where I want to place things as I begin my journal. And then these, if you guys follow me on my Instagram, a while back I used to leave love notes for strangers, and I wanted to get back to that practice this spring. So I bought the plain yellow ones that are super sticky so that I can leave love notes on mirrors for strangers in bathrooms and everywhere basically. So I picked up 2 packs of Post-it notes. Okay, last thing that I want to mention that I am so freaking excited about. I am going, and this is the first announcement that is out anywhere. So all of you YouTube viewers are the first to hear about this offering. I am going to be hosting a journaling play shop with essential oils starting mid-March. The registration to participate opens March 1st. So what this is going to be, it's called Sacred Fragments, and it's a journal play shop using essential oils, and it's going to be 12 days of journal talks and show and tells, and each day you will get a prompt and a little tip on how to use your essential oils in your journaling practice. So it's gonna be super fun. It's all gonna be done on a private Facebook group. And it's $20 for the 12 days. And with that investment, you get a journaling kit from me. So it will come with a journal, one of my favorite pens, which will be the Pentel Energels, a custom roller blend to take with you on your journaling adventure, and some other goodies. So to let you guys know, like I said, registration opens March 1st, but if you follow me on Instagram, which is at HelloBlankPage, I am hosting a giveaway on Monday. It'll start on Monday, and I'm going to draw the winner on March 1st, the day that registration opens for Sacred Fragments. It's going to be a giveaway for the course. So you're going to want to go follow me and keep an eye on Monday, because I'm going to be posting up the giveaway, and everyone who comments will be entered for a spot in my course. So keep your eye out. Tell your friends. It's going to be amazing. I'm so excited. And I look forward to chatting with you guys again Tuesday next week sometime, whenever I feel inspired. Honestly, that's about how I do videos. Okay, so I will chat with you guys later.